welcome back to the channel. It's your boy ACG here, Afro Car Guy. Running a little late today. It's about 9 o'clock. Usually we'd be doing this stuff around 8 o'clock, but my hair is out, so that's something. We're making progress. Last night I kind of had a little run-in with a random tire. Decided to give my bumper a little kiss. No real serious damage. It knocked the bracket to my front end plate loose, but like I said, I could just glue that back. And there's some tire marks along the bottom of my bumper, but my car is black, so it blends in. And y'all know the guards beneath the car, the plastic underbody pieces. It sent like all that like underneath the belly of my car, but she cleans up good. Yeah, I was going to consider taking those out, but getting under and looking at what's exposed. Yeah, my coolant reservoir is like literally right there beneath the underbody of the car. Long story short, if I were to take that out, I thought that's a very vital piece of plastic to just have exposed. So we're gonna try to keep those in at all costs, or at least find some way to design something new to keep all that vital things protected from, obviously, like a tire. So let's get this going. We're heading out to the Tank Shop Global Tires. We're finna load these tires up. I'll catch you in a second. All right, so the easiest way to get these wheels in here within 10 seconds, I believe this is about the only way I can do it. Oh snap, it worked! Oh what? I should do that more often. Alright guys, we're heading out. Buford, Duluth, you know that side of town, so let's get it. It's like you're getting in the car inside Forza. Nope, definitely have to lock my house door. Cause you know, just don't want people walking in willy-nilly. Oh man, your door is unlocked. That's nice, isn't it? All right, as I lock the door, then we head out. Yo, actually, I almost forgot the center caps again. So yeah, let's grab those. All right. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are good to roll. I'll pick y'all back up when I get down there. Peace. Yeah, getting rid of those finally. Yeah, I got some much smaller ones I'm gonna put on instead. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're jumping straight into it. Everything seems to be working pretty smoothly so far. Remember I told y'all I ran into the tire the past night. It knocked, I guess by the time I exited the car, it knocked this like little plastic piece loose from the bumper and it kind of melted. Let's see. Yeah, it kind of melted to the exhaust, but I knocked it back in. I just need to put like a clip in there to like seal it, but we should be done here within an hour. Forgive me if I don't record that much. I'm still getting used to recording around people and stuff, but yeah. These are the new spaces that are going on right here for the fronts. Those are much smaller. Kind of a slow day today, isn't it?
It's one of those chill days.
Yeah, Fridays. Yeah. I need to get a real camera. Alright.
Did your car vibrate when you hit the brakes? No?
Smooth as butter. Yeah. Nothing. Like, if I never told you on spaces, you might notice if you've driven a lot of cars, but if I never told you on spaces and I blindfolded you, You'd have felt so confident in it, and it's on bags at that. Yeah, no.
Well, you put a lot of work into this thing.
A lot. 4 years coming.
Just be glad you're not drifting it. Because if you drifted it, you ended up putting it into a wall.
I was saying, you watch hyperdrive?
Dude, everybody, don't ruin it for me because I keep hearing good stuff.
God, dude, you gotta watch it. I was like, is this car
on Netflix, right?
Yeah. Oh, go ahead, you get it.
Yo.
All right, more money, more problems. So these lug nuts aren't gonna run on the current thread pitch, I wanna say, on the new wheel spacers. So I guess they're just gonna let me cop some off them real quick to get them to run, but that's what it looks like so far. No, my current issue is I'm scared that it may not be enough room to air out, considering the other wheels were 18s and these are 19s. Those were literally sitting like on top of this. So we're about to find out how it's gonna work, but we're gonna see. Yeah, my poor Tim trying to put it in. So all he really did with this, guys, he just shaved off a little bit of the hub ring or that little plastic rubber gasket piece, and that gave it enough clearance to fit into the wheel without really looking like this. Perfect. Now you gotta wash it. Bling, 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 boy. There should be one more. Yeah. What's that?
You got 4 hub rings, right?
Yeah. Damn, we put the hub rings on the fronts.
Yeah.
We did. I guess it wouldn't matter on the rears because those are the same spacers as the other ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are on. Just went for a little test drive to see my clearance and turn radius. I'm surprised. Everything went very well. So it feels like freaking butter. But right now we're waiting to get the alignments set up with it, and that might need a little camber adjustment too. Who knows? But after we get the alignment, we're heading back to my side of town so I can get to work. But dang, guys, it feels so freaking good. It's like flat in the corners, 0 body roll, and it's on bags. Did it just air out in the back? I don't know why I'd be doing that. What's the pressure show right now?
59.
Let me see, I just tap it up. Yeah, I usually like give it like a little air in the back, yeah. You work around cars on air a lot? Girl, I'll ask him, because I don't know why it does that every time. It sits for a while. Was really funny. We're low-key on a time schedule again too, so this time I gotta make it to work. I think we still got like an hour to play with. I think we should be able to knock it out by then. All right, so we're going for like a tracky, daily drivable type of setup. I don't want nothing too excessive because I don't be running through tires, so we're keeping it pretty conservative, I guess you can say. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. I don't know what none of that means.
Camber's got to be adjusted up front?
It's 0.5.
Yeah, we don't pull. Well.
So when you air out, basically, say you're starting off at 0 degrees of camber, you're not gonna have any sag in your suspension. So when you air out, you hit a limit to the lowest point ride height that you could reach.
Yeah.
The reason people max out the camber is it creates the sag in the suspension, allowing for an increase in the drop of ride height.
Oh.
And that's why people want max camber on their show cars.
So when someone wants like a track setup, what would you like?
So that all depends on the suspension setup that they actually have on the vehicle. So let's say they want, say they're going on Road Atlanta.
Yeah.
They'll basically, it could go from tire temperatures, how the temperature of the tire is across the, let's say you're driving, right, and you have 0 toe, right? And you're going around the track and you notice that on the one side of the tire, it's wearing out more on the inside rather than the outside, and the other tire's perfectly fine. So I take that data, you put it into the machine, and it actually tell me exactly how much toe to adjust to compensate. So the temperature on the tire is 100% even throughout the tire, and it gives you the maximum performance. And that's why I track people who come in. It goes to, let's say, corner balancing, which is making sure that the weight is evenly distributed on every single corner of the car, the vehicle. Depending on, let's say, drifting, drag racing, or circuit racing, it all varies. It depends on the setup that you have and the setup that you're looking for.
So today you just pretty much gave me the most drivability.
As far as what I'm combining what you want versus what the car needs, factory recommendations. I gave you the maximum positive tolerance that I could achieve. So everything's basically is max positive camber, which is still negative 2.5 in the rear.
Yeah.
Which is still a little bit premature, but you know, you're still giving you the best setup, the best tire wear that you can achieve with this setup right now. Is basically what I did.
Awesome. Awesome, bro. Oh, hold on. What did you mean by key? Did you mean my actual car key? Lock key. Okay, no, I definitely got that. As far as making it tighter, it squeals at certain speeds, and like I said, also at certain speeds, you're like, ring. I thought it was might be a little too low. Don't worry, you can just air it up. Yeah, I know 54 kind of is on the low side for my. I usually go all the way up on the
What's the issue with the air stuff?
It will air out when I'm trying to, like, say, you know, when you're driving an air car, you'll switch your ride height mid ride and lower it down real quick. I really hope I'm not late for work, but God, I might just be. So right now, alignment's done, wheels are on, full setup complete. Now we're finna find out what's making that weird noise on my passenger rear side wheel. You think it's a handbrake issue. He's about to take the whole assembly part to look into it and see what's causing the ring and squeak noise that's super annoying when driving. So we'll see in a second. Yo, I'm back. Alright, so leaving off from yesterday. Did not solve the issue of making a weird noise in the back of the car. They suspect it may just be, low quality brake pads and stuff like that. As far as everything else turned out good. Wheels look nice. Heading back up there now to finalize some of my fitment. I didn't have time to do yesterday because I was late to work. And that will be about it for today's video. I mean, we're gonna get a little walk around once I get back on this side of town. If you notice what's different, comment, subscribe, like, hit the like button. All right. So yeah, we're finna head back down to that side of town. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about as far as fitment goes. Just a slight camber adjustment. Car definitely feels super smooth, but gotta get used to a few more things on it. But you may see it on camera. So this side, the wheel kind of comes, wait, hold up. Yeah, okay. On this side, the wheel comes pretty close to being flush with the fender, almost. Where on this side, you can't even see the wheel if you look straight down. It's like hiding in there, so gotta get the camber adjusted on that to pull that out a bit to sit flushly. And that's about it. Here's my dirty, filthy car. Whoa, lighting is there. Yeah, I'm hoping to get it painted. I'm trying to do it as fast as I can, guys, but you know, maintenance things. I probably need some new CV axles. I thought I had my hat on for a second. CV axles, rotors and brake pads. I gotta get them AC fixed because I'm tired of driving around hot. But once all that's done, it's gonna clean up nicely. Now I can get more of my detail stuff like the headlights, tail lights, interior, that type of stuff going. So I'll see you on a few. Yo, we're back. So as far as the brakes go, he took them off. He tried to, I guess, grade them, or you know, kind of like a sandpaper effect. Get a lot of the brake dust, the glaze. Excuse my terminology, but he tried to get most of the glaze off. And he said 2 innards were on one side of the car that could have been causing squealing too. Again, I don't know. I know as much as some of you guys, or none at all. So we're finna go see if that stopped anything right now. If not, just gotta get new brake pads altogether. And if not, I don't know. He's at the car. I really thought I was finna get in and drive around with him to see if he was making noise, but he just drove off. So I'm like, all right. I don't really like when people do that, but let's see how this goes. It's just a insurance thing for me. I don't like people touching my car or any of my materials, if that makes sense. Cause like, I don't want y'all to accidentally break something or, you know, do something out of line. Now it's like, I had to get it fixed sort of, or it's just like, let's just avoid that road in general. But he should be back in a second. And then that's something else, like, I'm the one that drives it all the time, so I wouldn't know if it's making a noise. You wouldn't be able to tell that by just like jumping in and driving, because you don't know how my car operates if it's your first time just jumping in. But we'll see. If it starts back up again, I just have to bring it back and go from there. Still waiting on Calvin to pick up his wheels. He says he's like 5 minutes out. Ugh. Now I gotta edit this video. It's like, life is awesome. I like the new fro, bro. Is that my car? Look who decides to show up. Dang, man. This is the guy that's getting the other wheels. Alright. Get these pieces of garbage out my car. Yo. You on camera, bro.
You gotta wash it.
Yo. You gotta wash it. What you mean? It ain't dirty. Hell no. Yeah, welcome to Global Tires. So like I said, they kind of got a slow day, but you can see most of the cars and stuff they got out here. They got rid of the Supra. Like I said, this guy usually has like Lamborghinis and Ferraris in his place, but yeah, ain't the one like Antonio? No, he has a 4-door.
He got an A7. That's an A.
Oh, word.
That's S5.
I don't know any of the Audi names. But yeah, I'm gonna go take this shit, check out the Miata over there. Or the BMW. It's a little bit of everything. Yeah, bro. Right? A lot. You think I got a lot done? No, just imagine. Well, at the same time, probably not, because, you know, it's not very expensive to work on cars like this, but...
First of all, 50.
Man, what? Can you imagine how much fun this is going off-road? What? I'll be having too much fun in this. Heck yeah. What's up, everybody? Well, I'm back on my side of town now. I'm not upset. I try not to be upset or get angry or stay angry. I just posted on my Instagram, like, you know, we're chemically based creatures. So you're gonna get angry, you're gonna get sad, you're gonna get happy. Obviously you want to hold on to the good emotions, but as far as the negative stuff, that's a personal choice to hold on to the negative emotions. So it's okay to be angry within that first 2, 4, 5 minutes, even 10 minutes of an initial upsetting point of life, but holding on to all that, I said that's all on you. So get through it, let it go, and just keep moving forward. So saying that to say, I'm kind of down on my ka-ching right now, because, you know, again, adulting and taking care of the car at the same time as far as everything else. That shop's like an hour from where I stay, so driving down there is not easy on this type of gas tank. Why did I say that? Driving down there isn't easy to begin with because, again, it's like an hour drive. That'll burn a good percentage of my gas, and that's money, guys. So we get down there. On the website, it says the shop closes at 4 or 6, something reasonable. They turned out they only closed at 2, so after getting done trying to figure out what was still causing the brake issue, oh, we close at 2. We won't have enough time to look at your car. Well, that's wonderful, guys. Trying to get there. Yeah, so the guy that told me to bring it back up there wasn't there today, and the guy that I wanted to do the camber adjustment, he's ready to go. So I got to take the car back up there on Monday to get everything squared away again. So that's another little drive I got to make, but it's just stressful, you know. Don't waste your time building cars, guys. Go chase financial stability, you know. Bank money in your bank account. Don't be like me, but it is what it is. Like I said, just let it go. It is what it is. I'm trying to get better at just talking towards the camera thing. So again, keep working on me. I'm getting there. But the moment y'all been waiting for is here. Finally on a completely Forgestar wheel setup. I give y'all the Rocket Bunny Eclipse. That thing look crazy, don't it? What? The thing that always keeps blowing my mind about this car is still not even close to being finished, like from a maintenance point of view and from just a purely build point of view, but it looks so good just sitting sometimes. Like a rolling piece of art, you know? So I can finally change that little hashtag in my bio from Forgestar with the construction emoji to Forgestar. I don't think I have a check sign. I think it's just gonna say Forgestar by itself, but y'all get the idea. Oh yeah, go walk around. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, comments, give me feedback. I post every Sunday around 12 o'clock. Probably gonna up it to every Tuesday and Sunday around 12 o'clock. We'll see, depending on how much more content I can get out. I will not be at the Clean Culture Show this weekend, well, tomorrow, taking care of this wonderful piece of joy in my life. As far as, I don't know if I just said it already, but as far as paint goes, I have said in the other video, as far as paint goes, you can expect to see that within the next 2-ish months, hopefully sooner than that, all depending on how fast I take care of the maintenance for the car. And I think that's about it. This is ACG, Afro Car Guy. Catch y'all next time.